this the best rooftop pool in Hong Kong? Welcome to Townplace West Kowloon, one of the best hotels we've stayed in Asia. The hotel is a shared occupancy with a mix of local residents and tourists. Come with us as we show you around our room and the hotel's facilities and give our verdict at the end of this video. We paid around $180 for our room, which was the Deluxe City View Studio, one of the cheapest rooms on offer. We had a comfy bed up against this huge window that overlooked some of the neighboring skyscrapers. Our room was on the 22nd floor, and it was super modern and clean with all the facilities we need to base ourselves in Hong Kong for 5 nights. The room was small, but came with a fully functioning kitchen including oven, fridge, plates, and cutlery. As well as the couch, we also had a pull-out table, should we have needed to dine in. There was plenty of wardrobe space and drawers with an ironing board and safe, so this was perfect for just 2 of us. The bathroom was compact, but very clean and modern, and again had everything we needed. The room comes with a hairdryer, towels, soaps, and shampoo, so you don't need to bring any of your own. We loved the shower, which had 2 heads including a waterfall. For the price we paid, we were very impressed. Away from the room, the gorgeous reception smelled incredible and was super modern with plenty of seating and even a cocktail bar. There's also a 24/7 shop on the ground floor that stocks all kinds of food and drinks for when you need them. On the 23rd floor is a large communal space called Furry Lane, which is a designated area for dog walking. Like all the other rooftops, it has breathtaking views of the city. It's a really chill spot to relax with lots of tables and chairs, and even a swing. There is also barbecues for guests and residents to enjoy. Up on the 25th floor is the high bar, which is open until late, although the times do vary, so be sure to check. It's a lovely space serving up food and drinks, with the highlight being the chilled outside area overlooking the incredible Hong Kong skyline, including the city's tallest building, the International Commerce Center that stands at 484 meters. We loved sitting out here with some drinks watching the sun go down over Lantau Island to the west to draw close to our day exploring. There is also the Flavour Lounge, which is a communal space that has a kitchen area as well as self-service beers in the fridge. It has a really nice, relaxing atmosphere up here with loads of seating to chill with friends and play games. It's also the perfect spot to get some work done. The 26th floor is home to the best rooftop pool we've ever been in. First though, there's the mindful yoga studio and extensive gym that you walk through to get to the pool. The gym has a wide array of equipment with more jaw-dropping views of the city. What an epic spot for a workout. It was never too busy when we were here either. We've been in rooftop pools in Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, and another one in Hong Kong, and Townplace's is by far the best. The Skybound pool area has quite a small number of beds, but we always manage to find a couple. It makes for an incredible spot to do some sunbathing, read a book, or swim some laps. We would never get tired of that view. Take the staircase up to the jacuzzis too, which we didn't know were there. They were a real added bonus and stayed open until late. While it's in a fairly quiet area, it's really well connected with the Nam Cheong MTR station, just a 5-minute stroll away. Here's the short walk you take after following the B exit. Nam Cheong is a really good line too, with easy access to the airport, Disneyland, Kowloon, and Central on Hong Kong Island. Overall, we couldn't recommend Townplace Kowloon more. It's well-priced, well-located, very clean and modern, and has breathtaking views of Hong Kong from its various rooftops, and of course, the pool and jacuzzi. We will definitely be returning when we next come back to Hong Kong. We hope you found this video useful. Comment below if you've stayed at Townplace West Kowloon or are planning a trip to Hong Kong. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks! Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more travel videos.